in the 50s, outdoor pool. I hate you, mother. And I'm getting this on videotape. I'm getting this on videotape too, so everybody who sees my YouTube page will know what horrible people my parents are. Call me from Florida, rubbing it in. That's just nasty. Yep, there's my parents for you. Aren't they polite? So, not at all. Hold on. I thought you guys knew better.
Well, never have.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, rub it in. And oh yeah, tomorrow's supposed to become like, just the air temperature alone is supposed to be, I think, 0. Oh. So, when are you guys moving up here to Chicago?
Never. Well, I said, we do get moved to that area. Maybe by then, Dad will be retired. He was retired 2 years.
Until you guys get cabin fever and you go crazy and start like killing each other.